Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting features of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With groundbreaking advancements in performance, AI, and design, this flagship device is set to redefine the smartphone experience. Let's explore these features in detail, starting with its impressive performance. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is significantly faster than its predecessor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This new chip offers a 44% faster CPU, a 40% faster GPU, and a 45% faster NPU, delivering unparalleled performance. Built on Qualcomm's custom Orion CPU cores, the Snapdragon 8 Elite brings PC-level performance to your smartphone. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's GPU is the most powerful we've seen on a phone, making it a console gaming beast. Samsung and Qualcomm are collaborating with major game studios to fully leverage the incredible power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, promising an unmatched gaming experience. The AI capabilities of the Galaxy S25 Ultra are significantly enhanced thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite. The AI assistant can now directly access the camera on your phone, allowing you to point your camera at a receipt and ask questions in real time. Additionally, the AI can erase objects from photos and videos, making editing easier and more efficient. The Snapdragon 8 Elite also features a 35% faster AI ASP camera unit, further improving the device's AI performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a 200MP sensor, a significant upgrade from its predecessor. Samsung is focusing on significantly improving video performance compared to the S24 Ultra. The new ISP in the Snapdragon 8 Elite can handle photo captures from sensors up to 320 megapixels, ensuring that your photos and videos are of the highest quality. Running on One UI 7.0, the Galaxy S25 Ultra promises a smoother and more responsive user experience. One UI 7.0 is a significant upgrade over One UI 6.0, offering enhanced performance and overall smoothness. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a sleek design with rounded edges and will be available in 4 colors: black, green, blue, and titanium gray. This elegant design not only looks great, but also feels comfortable in your hand. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, expected to launch in early 2025, will likely be part of Samsung's flagship Galaxy S25 series, which includes multiple models. It is anticipated to bring a comprehensive upgrade across various aspects, focusing on performance, AI, camera technology, and design refinements. In terms of